Serial port debugging. First, use a serial port cable to connect the printer host to the computer. Enter the device manager on the computer. Find the port here and click it. It shows that the current driver is not supported. We need to uninstall this driver first. Then open driver package. Reinstall. After the installation is complete, click this plug and play icon. Then now we can see that the driver is reinstalled here. Then set baud rate to 115200 in System Settings, serial port on the controller. Then on the computer side, open the SPU software assistant. The port is set by default. Baud rate is also set to 11500. Receive setting check text. Then enter ABCD in the input box below. Open debug on the controller. Select S key in turn. Click Send on computer. We can see that ABCD also appears on the printer controller, indicating that the connection is successful. Now create a text file on the printer controller. Then click Advanced. Open External Data. Click External Data Manager, select Serial Port. Then save the file. Load the file just saved. Click Print. Then send print data on the computer. The controller information preview interface will display 1234. If we want to print something else, change the content and send it again. The print content will be updated in real time.